Hi everyone, welcome back to the next video into the Codex series. Into the last video, we have seen what exactly are the plugins and we have tried to explore plugin with some examples. However, just beside the plugin, we have something which are called skills, and now there is a confusion or a slight kind of a doubt that what is the difference between a plugin and what is a skill. So plugin we have already discussed in the previous videos. Today I would just touch up on the plugin and we will explore skills in detail so that when you are using Codex, you know what exactly are you doing with. Okay, so first thing first, where exactly do I see this skill option, right? So into your Codex, into the left top menu, you have an option which is called plugin. You click on that and here these are all the plugins which we have seen, and into the last video we have added the plugin for the spreadsheet, Gmail, I guess some of the other plugins, right? Calendar app we have added, right? Now just the next tab to the plugin we have something which is called skill. More or less this seems like to be the similar thing, but there is a slight difference. Let's try to understand that by adding or kind of understanding some of the example. Okay, take an example. You come to the Codex and you have written, let's say, a huge Python code, something like this. Now when you tell Codex that put all of that into a notes and I want the notes into a PDF format, so what would happen is Codex will try to summarize everything, try to create notes for you. But now since that you have mentioned that you want a PDF, that means there is a task which Codex has to perform. So without the skill of the PDF, Codex won't be able to create the PDF for you. Now let's take a second example of Google Calendar. We'd say that Codex, now go ahead and create a plan for me and put this plan into my Google Calendar. Now to connect my Codex to the Google Calendar, I need a plugin. However, to actually execute the plan where all the lessons are embedded into the calendar, that is a skill. So you can think of a plugin as a connector between Codex and the service. However, when the actual task has to be performed, then you need something which is called a skill. Okay, so now to better differentiate between the plugin and the skill, I have an infographic for you. Let me show it to you. Now, in this infographic, let's focus on the plugin part first. Okay, a plugin is a connector that let Codex to work between the different application. Think of a plugin as a bridge between the Codex and to the third-party application. If you see here, here is your Codex, this guy. This is the bridge, which is nothing but your plugin, which we have seen into the previous videos, and that let us to connect between the different applications such as Calendar, GitHub or Figma. So this is where the plugin comes in picture. Example, Figma is a plugin. It gives Codex skill that you can work inside Figma. If you don't have the plugin, Codex cannot act inside any of this app, right? So to make between the connection between the Codex and the third-party application or any other outside application, you need something which is called connection. You create that plugin, that's a bridge. Now, what is a skill? A skill is actually the action that Codex can perform. Once you have connected the bridge, what exactly you want to do? Now, think of a skill as a task. Now, once I have connected, let's say I want to create a PDF file. I want to read the file or I want to write a code. So, skill is nothing but an action. Now, if you think it like this, PDF is a skill. It helps Codex to create Python file from your notes. Remember the example which I gave? So if I don't have the skill, it won't be able to do that action. If there is no skill, Codex can explain, but it cannot do the action. Now, if you have to simply have one thumb rule of the differentiation, if you see on the screen, the simple rule is skills are the action, plugin help us to connect the Codex to the different application. So as a plugin, you connect two different codecs to the different application, whereas in case you want to do actual task, you would need the skills, right? So that is the differentiation between a plugin and a skill. I hope that differentiation is clear. If that is the case, just maybe comment down the differentiation is clear and I understand that you got it. Now to better understand the skill, I want to show you some important things. Okay, so for example, if you go to your plugins and into my skill, you can see that my PDF skill is still not enabled. However, when I was going here and I asked it to put this into an PDF, Codex was able to generate a simple PDF for me, which means that it was able to do the small kind of task all by itself. However, when there is something which is like more polished, more generalized, which simple codes cannot do, it will then ask you for skill. So for example, in this same chat, when I scroll down and I ask it that when you will ask for the PDF skill, right? Because I just ask you for a PDF, I don't have a skill, when do you see that? And the answer is, I would ask for the PDF document skill when you need something, a professional documentation, just not a simple PDF. Because for something where we will just print it like this, it actually is able to do it with just some set of the Python code.